Alright, so in this lesson we are going to be using our knowledge of expanding the brackets and collecting like terms so we can then go and solve some problems. Let's have a look at the first one. So we have a rectangle here and we are asked to find an expression for the perimeter. So the perimeter, remember, is the sum of the sides. So we are given in this the length of the height. So it's x plus 3 centimeters, and we're given the length of the width here, which is 2x plus 2. Now we know that the opposite side here is going to equal this, so that's going to be x plus 3. And likewise, this top bit here is going to equal this, the opposite side, so it's going to be 2x plus 2. So now when it comes to find the perimeter, we're going to add all the lengths up. So let's have a go at this. So we've got two sets of x plus 3, because we've got this side and that side, so it's going to be 2 times x plus 3. And we got two lots of 2x plus 2's here, so it's going to be plus 2 times 2x plus 2. Now we can expand the brackets. We've got 2x plus 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 2 times 2x, which is 4x, plus 2 times 2, which is 4. Collect like terms, we've got 2x plus 4x, which is 6x, and we've got 6 plus 4, which is 10. So that's 6x plus 10 centimeters, and that is the expression for the perimeter. And let's go for a second example. A little bit tricky now. The square and the rectangle both have the same perimeter. We're not given the any dimensions of the square, but we do know the dimensions of the rectangle, and we are asked to prove the height of the square is 2x plus 3. So we have to do a bit of working to prove that. And when we're trying to prove it, we're going to get an expression for the height equals 2x plus 3. So let's have a go at this. So the first thing to do is we need to recognise that the height of the square is equal to the length of each side. So how many heights do we have? Well, we've got this one, we've got that one, we've got this one, this one. So we've got 4 heights. So what we can do is we can say that the perimeter of the square is equal to 4 times the height. Now we can say that the perimeter of the rectangle, just like in the previous example, we're going to be multiplying the brackets. So we've got 2 lots of 3x plus 2, and we've got 2 lots of x plus 4. Now the perimeter of the square is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. So we can say that these are equal. So 4 times the height is equal to this term in the brackets here. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the next step. So 4 times the height is equal to this. What do you think we're going to do? Good choice here would be to expand the brackets. So we've got 4 times the height is equal to, this will be 2 times 3x is 6x, and 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 4 is 8. We're going to collect like terms, so we've got 4 times the height is equal to 6x plus 2x is 8x of course, and now we've got 4 plus 8 is 12. Right then, so this is 4 times the height. So 4 times the height, so what would one of the heights be? Well, if 4 heights is this, all we do is divide this by 4 to get the length of one height. So the length of one height is 1/4, 1 divided by 4, of this term here. Alright, and what we're doing, before we get there, we're dividing each term by 4. So we are distributing this time, but instead of multiplying, we're dividing. So it'll be 8 divided by 4, which is 2x, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 2x plus 3 right there. And that's how it's done. Quite a lot of steps there, very tricky, but the method and the systematic way that we went about it is what's key there. So hopefully you can have a bit more practice doing these, and the methodology will become second nature to you.